Ani, welcome back. I want to introduce this program called Anki. You can Google Anki on the internet. I've done this a few times. I'll just give you a quick rundown how I did it. So here's the Google page, and you just write in the Google search bar Anki flashcards. Very easy. Hit enter, and then you go to this one here, Intelligence Flashcards. Open that up, and you get the Anki website. I scroll down to the download Anki. If you have a Mac computer, you would use this download. A Linux, you would use this one. For your iPhone or Android phone, you would use this one. I'm using the Windows, so I would click on Windows, open Windon, and it's very, very fast. So here it is. It's 11 seconds. It will be done loading this up. The reason why I'm using Anki is because they have new features I've never tried before. You can do a voice recording with the word that you're trying to practice. Okay, here we go. I'll just add that, install that, and okay that. Voice recordings, you can add photographs or pictures to your cards. I never knew it did this. It's really exciting. And it's super awesome. I can transfer any of the decks of cards that I make to my iPhone or onto a little memory card and transfer it to another computer. It's really, really smart. So let's minimize this one, and there it is on my desktop. I'll click on that. Alright, this one is already done. So it's already preset. I've done this before, but I just want to give you some tips. This one I called Kanzi Anki. That's my name. So say I want to change the profile. I want to change Kanzi. I will go to File, switch profile, and I would say Kanzi, rename it to Kanzi Gitamido. Excellent. And leave it like that, and then I would that's good. I would open up this one here just like that, and now it's renamed Kanzi Gitamido. Now say this one will say, I forget what it's called, but it's your first deck, and you're allowed 100 flashcards in one deck. So I just came over here, I renamed it Anishinaabemowin Intro. I'll write it Introductions just to show you. Okay, and now this deck is called Introductions. Now I want to add a new card to this deck. So I would click the Add button first, and right there. Okay, that's good. Now you got a front and a back part of your card, and I want to say something like something to do with introductions, eh? So I would say Nigitche Nendam Wab Minan. Nigitche Nendam Wab Minan. It's got a very easy to use, friendly user program here. So simple. The translation, I would say, I am happy to see you. That's what it means. And I will put a SING for singular. If it was plural, I'd have to say Nigichin and Dumpkina Wabn Gok. Gok at the end. So there's my card. Now I want the Anishinaabemowin to be highlighted. I want to see clearly. So I would pick red. You could choose any color you want just by clicking this little tab beside the color bar box, and I want to bold it. Very easy. So there it is. I'm happy to see you, singular. Okay, now I want a voice recording. So I'm going to hit enter. I want a voice. I want to put my voice into this so I could hear the word. This is what I didn't know. that this program had. I'll go up to this red dot and hit audio. As soon as I touch it, the audio instantly starts, so be aware of that. I'm going to say this 4 times. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Stop. Let's have a go. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's do it again. So I'll highlight it, and then I'll hit the delete key on my keyboard. It's gone. Let's do it again. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Stop. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. Nigitchinendum. Excellent. Wabiminan. I really like that. Nigitchinendum wabiminan. It works for me. No. So I'm going to add this card now. So far, I can add a photo to this as well. I can add a photo right here. It has a little paper clip. So I can put a photo. I could put a video in there if I wanted to. I don't know what the size maximum is for a video, but I'm sure I'll figure that out later. But for now, this is good. I like this card. I'm going to add this to my deck. I've already made 15 decks, 15 cards. Okay, so now it's added to my deck. I'm going to close it. So I got 12 here and I got 1 here. I wanted to add this to another one. Okay, we'll figure that out later. Alright, so I have 12 in my introductions. Let's go through it real quick. I'll click on here. Let's study it now. Apachagwa. Gitchinendum. Anishinaabemowin. Apachagwa. Gitchinendum. Anishinaabemowin. Apachagwa. Gitchinendum. Anishinaabemowin. Apachagwa. Ndadis. 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 Anin. Kinawea. Anin. Kinawea. Anin. Kinawea. Roger Rabbit. Nada Jaganashi. Nozwin. Roger Rabbit. Nda Jaganashi. Nozwin. Roger Rabbit. Nda Jaganashi. Nozwin. Bojo. 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 Minido Minising. Ndunjuba. Minido Minising. Ndunjuba. Minido Minising. Ndunjuba. Mukwa. Ndodem. Mukwa. Ndodem. Mukwa. Ndodem. Anin. Anin. Toronto. Megwa. Nadinda. Toronto. Megwa. Nadinda. Toronto. Megwa. Nadinda. Toronto. Me gwetch. Me gwetch. Me gwetch. So there you have it. You can get anybody to do the voice recording. If you have a voice actor around, you can put them behind the microphone. Get an elder voice actor to do the words for you, and you could practice on your own the dialect that you wish to explore and have in your toolbox. Anishinaabemowin toolbox, eh? This is a real cool program, and you can make tons of decks. Decks to do with animals only. Decks to do with the weather. Decks to do with feelings. Decks to do with food and cooking and cleaning and house parts, locations, anything you want. You can make decks on anything. So I think this is a very important and a very valuable tool to have. Since everybody's carrying an iPhone around, you can actually carry your language in your iPhone or your cell phone. It's amazing. So check it out, please. If you have any questions, you want me to go over this and make another video, no problem. Now, this Jimmy Gwatch Pane, Mama Peak Wobman.